beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video because we're going to be reviewing sort of some new stuff that just dropped from Morphe. This is the Morphe Throw Shade and Shimmer Lo-Fi and Hi-Fi. These are sculpting and shimmer palette, and the face for this campaign was Laura Lee, which is a famous YouTuber. If you guys don't know, you should search her up. I'll link it down below. But yeah, she's the face of this campaign. So they ended up launching two palettes, which we have here, and in more simpler terms, these are just highlighting and contouring palette basically. That makes sense? It's much easier to understand, right? So let's go ahead and dig right into the palettes. So these palettes do bring matte contouring shades. We have one for deeper skin tones and one for more fair tones. So we do have 4 matte shades of each of the palette, and then we have 4 highlighters, which are super beautiful. Let's dig into the 8H, which is for tan to deep skin. And this brings, once again, 4 matte sculpting shades, and then it brings 4 highlighter. And I'm so sad, you guys, that I broke mine. It's like literally all over the place. I really need to fix this now. So depressing. This is actually my favorite palette because I love like darker the better for me. Like I just love bronzing out my whole face. Like it's just my thing, you know what I mean? So if you have a round face, hun, get yourself some contouring palettes because that's what's going to save your life. Okay, the 2 first top shades from the palette, which are more like on the cool tone side, and these are great, you guys, for like defining the cheekbones, like really chilling out the cheekbones. Then when you go to the bottom, you have the 2 warmer shades, which are great for bronzing up. So we got the 4 highlighters on the side. I love the way that this palette is also like laid out. It's really nice in my opinion. So we got the first shade, which is Beam, and Beam is a very bright light. It's a very bright highlighter, and I love to use this as a topper basically. Like once I apply my highlighter, I like to use this one as a little topper. Oh my god, as a topper, just to like do exactly what it says, Beam. That's what's gonna help pop the highlight, make it pop even more because it's so bright that you just have to apply a little bit tiny bit where like the light hits, and it's just gonna make your whole highlight like pop even more. I'm sorry that I'm like this. I feel like I haven't filmed in a while just because I've been out of the game, you guys. I've been out of it. Anyways, then we got Mirror H. Not sure. It's just a very pretty like bronzing shade, and it's just gorgeous, you guys. Like look at that. That will be such a perfect highlight for any like tan deep skin tone. Like, ooh, I love it. And then we have Big Bang, which is the one I broke, and I'm so sad because it's such a beautiful gold, you guys. And it's like an intense gold, but it's just a beautiful gold. It's like a truly gold situation we have going on here, and it's just so stunning, and I think it will look great on any skin tone. And then we have my favorite one, which is Venus, just because it actually looks like my skin tone. Like look at that, you guys. It's like literally my skin tone right there. So it would be perfect for like a natural glowy type of thing because it's so close to my skin tone that I can just wear it on everyday basis. And I swear I'm not flicking you guys off. It's just, that's the finger that I always choose to swatch stuff with. I don't know why. Next we have the Lo-Fi, which once again is a highlight and contouring palette. These are for more of my fair skin tones lady out there, or boys or guys or men's, whatever you want to call it yourself, okay? But as you can see here, we have a little bit of warm, a little bit of cool tone. So for this palette, I'm actually going to start from the bottom. The 2 first bottom shades, which are my favorite ones, the shade Debutante, but that shade will be more for like chiseling out your cheekbones, like really carving out those jawline, the nose, like wherever you want to contour basically. And then the shade Donut is a little lighter than the shade Debutante, which I will use more to bronze up around the face, like mainly around my forehead, just because it's a cool tone. It's gonna give you like that shadow, and I have a huge forehead in my opinion. You might not have that opinion, but I do. And I will definitely use that shade for like right here, just to make a shadow and bring it like narrower, like make it smaller basically. And then we have the 2 top shades, which we have Enemy, which is more on the rich warm shade, and this is great to bronze up around the face to give like more color, like make you look alive basically, because using those cool tones color can definitely make you look dead. So make sure you use a warmth whenever you're like sculpting the face. And then we have Literally don't know. But that shade is perfect to blend out like literally the entire sculptiness that you have going on in your face. Anyways, next we have on the side the fourth highlighting, may the fourth be with you. The 4 highlighting shades, and these are very, very bright. In my opinion, they're super, super light. And then we have Lit, which is more like a yellowy tone type of highlighter. This is very, very bright, but these are perfect. I love when it comes to like colored highlights like these, because you can use it as a pop of color on the inner corner. You can use it on your brow bone and it'll look so bomb, and it'll make your even your eyeshadow look even more stunning, like pop even more, you know what I mean? Then we have the 2 bottom shades, which is Supernova and Cosmic, which is more like a peachy tone and then more of a pinkish highlight, and they're both super, super pretty. I love how Supernova has like this iridescent look to it. It's just a gorgeous shades, and I think it will look great on any skin tone, especially medium skin tone like myself. This is definitely a go-to highlight right here. This is for more of my fair skin tone baby. Again, you guys, there is no rule on makeup. You can pile that shit on and make yourself, you know, like a disco. But anyway, babes, I hope you guys really enjoyed this little mini review. I am going to be doing more of these often, just because I know you guys really like to see what's going on with this palette. Do they work? Do they look good? Do they what the swatch looks like? What do they really look like? How do they blend? So I just want to show you guys things like this more often. I know you guys, I think you guys would definitely enjoy a lot more than me not posting at all, because literally I've been in a junk lately. But without further ado, don't forget to subscribe to keep up with all of my videos, otherwise you're gonna miss more stuff that's coming up, okay? So make sure you subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you.
So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely.